appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, this is the rear, I guess, bulkhead and assembly. You can see I forgot to record on the time lapse. So as you can see, this is the final assembly here. It went together smooth. Just make sure you pay attention. You have your labels for the end links. Make sure they're facing out on this portion of it where it attaches to the shock tower, and went together pretty smooth. Make sure your end link's sticking up like that. All right. And you had 2 screws that go through here. You got 2 screws that hold the big bulkhead assembly right there on the top. Those 2 screws there from the inside, and then from the outside, you had 2 screws in here that went through. It goes all the way through and holds this other right here, this other little bracket or whatever this is right here. All right, but straightforward assembly. Just pay attention to the instructions, and you shouldn't have any problems.